Hey, what's going on, everybody? Ali Saleh, and in this video, I'm going to break down the entire Akashx compensation plan for you, and I'm going to show you how much money you could potentially make at every single one of our ranks based off of our commission engine. Again, I'm really excited that you're watching this video, but I want to go ahead by starting off and saying that past profits and past success is not indicative to future profits and future success. This compensation plan is truly a eat what you kill environment. It's all about the work that you do, and past results do not depict future results. So understand that these are just examples and none of this is financial advice. I'm just here showing you a breakdown of a commission engine that's been around for over a decade and that's never been changed and that's created a lot of income earners in this industry. So let's kind of dive right into our compensation plan. So look, the Akashx model is very simple. Every single customer or affiliate you enroll gives you 100 BV in your enrollment. Every single person pays 149 for their renewal for their monthly membership. So if you refer 3 people, you will actually have your monthly membership waived. So example, in the month of February, if you enroll 3 people, your March membership will be waived, and you could be an affiliate or a customer. It doesn't matter. As long as you have 3 personally enrolled people, you're 3 and free. That's it. Whether they're customers or affiliates also does not make a difference. So let's go ahead and look at our compensation plan. We have 8 different profit centers, and I'm going to break these down for you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you examples of what it would look like at each rank as well. Okay. So let's go through. The first step is to get binary qualified. If you want to earn a binary commission in this compensation plan, you have to be binary qualified. And how you do that is by having 1 pure customer on your left leg, 1 pure customer on your right leg, and then you have to have 3 enrolled affiliates. It doesn't matter where they're placed, okay? As long as they're in your organization, in order for you to qualify for every rank inside the company, okay? Very straightforward, super easy to get binary qualified. Now, our first bonus is called the CAB, or the Customer Acquisition Bonus. How this works is for every pure customer you enroll as an affiliate, and it costs nothing to be an affiliate here, you will earn a $40 one-time commission for that person on their first order. Now, their second month order, you will earn a $25 residual bonus as well, a residual customer acquisition bonus on their second month and beyond. So every month they renew, you get a $25 bonus, which is huge. That's a great opportunity. It really pushes you to, build relationships with your customers and make sure you retain them as well. So a huge reward for our recruiters and their people. Now, in terms of affiliates enrolling affiliates, we have another style of a front end bonus, okay? And the Jumpstart bonus and the customer acquisition bonus are paid out weekly. So how the Jumpstart bonus works is I'm an affiliate, and let's say I enroll Matthew Thayer. When I enroll Matthew Thayer, I get a $40 Jumpstart bonus. Now, let's say Matthew enrolls Joey Wilson. My team's looking real good. Matthew enrolls Joey Wilson. Matthew gets $40 for enrolling Joey, but I get 8. And let's say Joey recruits Josh Amundsen. Josh Amundsen, his bonus to Joey is $40, $8 to Maddie, $6 to me, and the Jumpstart bonus goes multiple levels deep. As you open up new levels of ranks, you will unlock multiple levels of Jumpstart bonus that can actually go to infinity levels at 1%. So basically, you're earning multiple percent as you go and unlock different levels through the Jumpstart bonus, which this really gives you an amazing weekly check between the customer acquisition bonus and the Jumpstart bonus. Now, the global pool bonus is a really exciting bonus because, look, all you have to do is do your job, and that's recruit. And if you're recruiting people, you end up getting shares. So the company sets aside 2% of total business volume. And basically what happens is if you enroll 4 people, you get 1 share. You don't have to be at any rank to qualify for this at all, okay? You just enroll 4 people and you'll get 1 share. I think last month's global pool bonus was about $70. So if you enrolled 4 people, boom, you get an extra 70. Now this can go multiple levels. I mean, if you can enroll 20 people, you'll get 5 shares and you'll get the 5 times 70, which is a really powerful bonus. Now the customer mastery bonus is great because you can earn up to $20,000 for the customer volume in your organization. So example, let's say you have a team of 500 people, okay? If you have a team of 500 people, for example, let's say half of them are customers. That means you have 25,000 volume that's customers. So for you to have that 25,000 volume in customer base, you will go ahead and get $1,000 paid out to you just for retaining your customers for a customer mastery bonus. It's a really beautiful bonus. I love it. And then our binary commissions, you just basically get 15% of the lesser leg. So imagine you have a team of 50 on your left, 50 on your right. Now, the cool thing about the binary commissions here is you could actually have one of your legs be spillover. Well, both of your legs could be spillover. It doesn't matter. But let's just say your upline was nice enough to build you an organization of, let's say, 50 people on your power leg or your right leg. And let's say the leg that you're building, you have let's say you have 25 people in there. Okay. So you take the 25 people and you multiply that by 0.15, 15%, and your binary payout would basically be around $375 for the binary. But again, remember, the binary is only one part of the compensation plan. There's 8 different profit centers, and I'm going to give you, like I said, full-blown examples to show you exactly what you would earn at each level, okay? So again, let's break down that binary for you. So if you have 20 people in your weaker leg, 10 affiliates are 100 BV each, 10 customers are 50 BV each, total BV 1500, multiply that by 0.15, 15%, your binary payout is 225. Okay, guys, so very, very simple, straightforward, and I'll give you specific examples on what that looks like for all of you, okay? So let's go ahead and look at the leg rule breakdown. So this is a uni-level binary hybrid. So everyone you personally enroll is in your uni level, okay? So that's where all of your bonuses come from, like the jumpstart, the check match, and we'll talk about that here in a second. But you can earn 50% of the line max from each one of your enrollment lines, okay? So every person you personally enroll, that's considered an enrollment line, and you can earn 50% max from each one of those enrollment lines, okay? So leadership check match, you do have to be at least a 5K affiliate or pay for an annual pack, and you can basically qualify for this, and you can earn up to 10 levels deep on leadership check match. So what's really cool about this is, let's say, again, Maddie is my level 1. If he has a $10,000 binary paycheck, I will earn 30%, so I get a $3,000 bonus. So he gets his 10, I get 3. But let's say on his level 2, Joey also earns $10,000 on the binary. Maddie gets 3,000, 30%. I get 2,000, 20%. So this check match is one of the most aggressive check matches I've seen in the industry. It's really, really powerful, and it really puts you in a position to really work with your leaders and their leaders to help them win and earn big binary checks, okay? Now, rank achievement bonus, these are one-time bonuses that are paid out. So, for example, the 1K, 5K, 10K, and 25K rank, these one-time bonuses are, let's say you hit it in the month of February. When we get paid on the first Thursday of the following month, which would be basically March, you would get your one-time bonus on your monthly check as well, okay? So basically what you'd be looking at is, let's say you hit 25K in your first month. You'll get the $2,500, the $1,000, the $500, and the $100 bonus all in one check. So $4,600 would basically be sent to you in your first month's check because you hit all those ranks and you get all the one-time bonuses together. Once you hit 50K and 100K, you have to maintain those ranks for 60 days, and then you get your one-time bonus. And then 250K, 500, and super, you have to hold those ranks for at least 90 days, and then you'll get that one-time bonus, which is really powerful. And then we also have a rank maintenance bonus. So example, if you hit the rank of 25K and you maintain 25K the next month, you will get a $500 bonus. If you hit the rank of 250K month 1, month 2, you'll get the $5,000 bonus. Month 3, you get the $5,000 bonus plus the one-time bonus, which is absolutely crazy for maintaining your rank. And then let's go ahead and talk about the examples that you will have in terms of what you would get paid and how it would look if you built a team. So example, if you are a 1K affiliate, so 1K affiliate means you have 10 people in your team. Every single person in your enrollment is 100 BV, okay? So 100 BV times 10 is 1,000. 1K, 1,000 affiliate. So 1K affiliate, okay? So if you come in and let's say this is through your enrollment, you enroll 6 people. So these examples are based off of you enrolling 6 people, 3 customers, 3 affiliates. So your fast start bonus would be $240 with your customers. You would get 1 share of bonus pool because you enrolled 6, 2 away from getting 2 shares. But let's just, for this example, say you're getting 1 share. Your rank maintenance bonus, because you are hitting 1K and holding it, it's $50. Your jumpstart and check match is about $75. Customer mastery, we're not even adding that in here, and your binary is 60. So your paycheck is going to be around $500 per month. And then you also have the rank achievement bonus, the one-time bonus of $100. Okay, so you'd make like right around 600 your first month, and then month two you'd be looking at 500. Okay, just if you maintain that rank to bring 10 people in your organization. If you have 50 people in your organization, 25 on your left, 25 on your right, you're looking at about 1142 per month, and then you do get a $500 one-time bonus. Now, 10K affiliate, again, similar examples. We're not changing your personally enrolled people, so your money could be more, but the goal is for you to understand exactly how much you could potentially get paid at each rank. So if you have a team, 50 on your left, 50 on your right, your enrollment tree is growing. You go out there to maintain a team of 100 people, you're looking at right around $2,000, and your rank achievement bonus for your first check would be $1,000, but your base residual pay would be around $2,077. Now, what's really cool about our compensation plan, because some commission engines, if you have 50 on your left, 50 on your right, you don't make any more money until you get to the next rank, okay? So there's so much in between volume that you do not get paid on, all right? Here, that's not the case. As you're going from 10K to 25K, your team is growing. So your check matches are increasing, your jump starts are increasing, your customer mastery is increasing, your binary is increasing as you get to your next title. So your checks can grow before you even get to the next rank, which is amazing. And that's one of the things I love about this compensation plan, because you get paid on all the volume that's in your binary, which is really exciting, okay? So let's go to the 25K affiliate. Again, 125 on your left, 125 on your right. You're looking at basically a situation where you're making about $4,217 per month, and then you do also get that one-time bonus when you hit 25K rank, which is really exciting. Now, the one thing I will tell you also is, again, going back to the example, if you have an upline or a sponsor who's helping you build one leg, these 250 people, you could put them on your other leg. You could take some of them and build the other. If you're getting help on one side, you can put more people on the leg that you're fully focused on, and that can actually give you a much bigger binary. So imagine you had an upline or a sponsor that helped you build your power leg, and let's say they put 500 people here, and let's say you decided to put all 250 people down your pay leg or your weaker leg. You would earn 15% of 250 people, so your binary pay would essentially double, because you're getting paid 15% of your lesser leg, okay? So understand that spillover does count towards the binary, which is really exciting. And if we go to the 50K affiliate, again, this is 500 people on your team. You're looking at a base pay of $76.27 with the examples that we've put together here. We deeply calculated this, and then after you maintain the rank for 2 months, so month one will be $76.27. Month two would be the $76.27 plus the $5,000 one-time bonus. And then if you maintain the 50K affiliate, you'd be looking right around $7,000 to $8,000. And as your team grows, remember, your checks are also getting bigger because you're moving towards your next titles, which is really exciting. 100K affiliate, 1,000 people on your team, you're looking at about $15,500 a month with your one-time bonus. On month two, you're going to get that at $10,000, so you're looking at about 25, 30-ish K for month two. And then your month three, again, if your team didn't grow at all and everybody just maintained, your base pay would be about $15,440. And then if we go into the 250K affiliate range, this is about 2,500 people on your team. You're looking at about $34,377. And then after 90 days, you get that one-time bonus of 25K, which is really exciting. So if we kind of did a little bit of math on that, what you're looking at here is, let's say your monthly residual checks with everything included is $35,000. If you get to the point where you've maintained this for 90 days, that third month check would be a little bit over $60,000, which is super exciting, right? That's a great amount of money, life-changing money. Again, none of these are income claims. I'm just showing you guys what's possible hypothetically if you were able to accomplish a scenario like this, okay? 500K affiliate, 5,000 people in your team, you're looking at about $65,000, $66,000 for your base. You're looking at that $50,000 one-time bonus once you get to your third month. And again, your check will continue to increase because once you hit these levels, your team is continuing to grow. And you're doing all of this, guys, with just 149 orders, 100 BV, no annual packs, none of that kind of stuff. Literally just building a team purely based off of that. 100 BV plan. And then super affiliate, you're looking at about 131 base. And then once you hit 90 days of maintaining this rank, you get that 6-figure massive bonus as well. So this, guys, is life-changing money. You're in the 7-figure realm, and you can continue to grow from here. So guys, in my humble opinion, I love this compensation plan. It's one of the best commission engines I've personally seen in the industry. It rewards a lot of people for the right behaviors. So our comp plan does pay. A lot of people say, oh, we don't think that the MDC comp plan pays, but it surely does. We've cracked the code with this compensation plan. We know how to help you maximize this plan. So guys, highly recommend. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, reach out to myself, Maddie, Joey, any of the amazing leaders here. We'd be more than happy to help you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we will definitely catch you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.